We are connected! Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review for the GODOX Cube-SC wireless microphone system. So this is pretty much a microphone kit for mobile phones. And also I'm going to test it with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to see if that works as well, because that would be a game changer. This microphone is $93 at the time of this recording. Let's open the box and put it to the test. We have the manual here and we have a bunch of stickers. I believe you can put them on the microphones. We have a really nice protective case. We have two magnetic lanyards. We have a USB Type-C port for charging. We have two clips with the magnetic backs. We have two windscreen with a protective case around it. And this is pretty much the charging case. I really like the look and design. It's pretty small. We have a USB Type-C port at the end to charge the case. I believe I have to press. Okay, it's gonna pop off and it's gonna hold right here. That's a really amazing design they did here, pretty compact. This is the transmitter. We have a USB Type-C, we have a button underneath and another USB Type-C for, I believe, charging again. And these are the microphones. Okay, they are very small and we have the charging ports underneath. We have the magnets on the back and they are very strong actually. And I can actually remove these magnets. We also have a control button on the side as well. It should be for power and for noise cancellation, and also a remote shutter for recording. So as far as the design goes, I really love it. It's really compact, so you can just put it in your pocket and carry it around. So if every time you want to record a video, you can just pop it open, put on the mics for two people, and connect the transmitter, and it's pretty small. It's not going to take much space and you're ready to go to get the high quality audio. So when you pop it open, it actually shows the charging with the LED bar down here. All right, all you need to do is just connect it to the USB port on your phone. Now it's blinking and looking for the transmitters. It comes with the magnets in the back. I can just use it under my shirt. I can use it just like this. It is super small. I mean, comparing to my DJI Rode mic, this is a very nice and very small package. Actually, I had a problem with the size of the DJI mics or other mics in general, and this is a perfect size actually. I'm hoping the audio quality would be as good as the DJI, so we'll see about that. You can also use the lanyard. If you want to wear it as a necklace, you can actually adjust it like this. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if I'm just like recording a voice, maybe I can bring it up a little, but no, that's perfect. But it's gonna move around a little, not too much, but actually, I really like the necklace because I don't really need to do anything else. I just put on the necklace, and also we can use these clips. It will attach to the clip. That's usually perfect for like classic shirts, but that's an option that you can like. All right, it's blinking green. Nice. I just turned it on and it's connected. And if I press the button on the transmitter, it will go into the denoise function and the light will turn orange. If I double press the button, it will start recording, and if I double press again, it will stop recording. That's a really cool function to have it on the microphone, so everything is gonna be easy to use. All right, this is the test using the GODOX Cube-SC microphone, and I'm recording on the normal mode and the denoise function is not activated. Everything is just pretty much the regular sounding. The microphone is on my shirt using the magnet. I'm gonna stay quiet for a while to check the background noise of this microphone. All right, that was a test for the normal mode. Let's try the denoise function. Okay, right now we are in the denoise function with the GODOX Cube-SC microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the audio you're hearing. That's actually pretty impressive, the audio quality we get with this small microphone. And it is really good. I mean, as far as the pricing, comparing to the DJI mic, pretty much nailed it in terms of the audio quality. And when I activate the noise cancelling, I can see a little bit of like a digitalization of the audio, not too much, but I can hear it a little at the underneath the audio, but it removes most of the noise and we get the really good audio out of it. I'm really impressed for the size of this microphone and the whole package. So far, I think it's really worth it if you want to get a mic like this, because I'm satisfied with what I have right now. I'm going to do the test for the range as well when I go outside. For now, I'm going to test it with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 because it has a USB 3 slot. Yes! We are connected using the DJI. It works with the DJI's Osmo Pocket. So I can use this small microphone instead of this big chunky microphone. All right, so right now I'm using the GODOX microphone on my chest, and I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to record this video. Let me see if I don't know. I'm gonna sit here and talk for the rest of this clip. And right now I'm actually using what you call the denoise function of this microphone. So I see that it goes a little bit into the red. I hope it's not clipping. And this is my normal voice, but if I go out of the normal, maybe that's a clipping issue for this microphone. We'll see about that. I'm actually going to turn off the denoise function. Okay, another thing I noticed, if I turn off the denoise function, the light on the microphone also turns green, and if I activate the denoise, it will be orange. Right now I'm in the yellow zone. I hope the audio is good. Okay, I really love the fact that it also works with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I get a really good result. The audio quality was really good and audio is crisp, and I could stay all the way back and I don't know, talk to the camera and still get a decent audio quality. Also, the microphone does a really good job for the denoising, but the thing is sometimes you can hear the echo going back through the microphone. Not too much, but that's a little thing that I noticed. Still doing a pretty good job for the denoising. For the most part, I prefer the normal mode, not the denoise mode. Now it's time to test the range. Okay, I'm here outside and I'm going to test the microphone. We are connected. We are in the normal mode. We have a little bit of like background noise, but let's go ahead and do the test for the denoising. I'm actually using the windscreen as well. All right, the denoising is activated. Check out the audio quality, and it should pretty much get rid of the background noise, and you're going to be hearing my voice a lot more clear. So I'm going to use this mode and I'm going to test the range as well to make sure everything is working properly when we like step back. I'm going to go back and make sure the connection is working with the camera, and we are all the way over there. Hopefully we don't lose connection. I'm not sure if it's going to show on my transmitter if we lost the connection or not. So I'm all the way back in here. I'm actually maybe gonna go around the block to make sure to see how far we can go without losing the connection. Still hearing me? I'm all the way back. Okay, I think I lost the connection there, so I'm heading back, but I'm already pretty far away, and when I was back there I pretty much lost the connection and I'm not sure what happened, and I got reconnected again when I was like came out of the behind the trees. So I'm not gonna go that far, but I'm gonna go behind this block over here to make sure we're gonna still have the connection. I'm just checking on my microphone if we still have the connection. Still working. I'm actually behind these buildings. Still connection. I don't even see my camera, but we still have the connection. That's good news. So I'm just heading back towards the camera. I'm gonna check for the
disconnections later on, but if that works, that shows the range of this camera is really good. I mean, nobody's gonna use it like going behind the walls or anything, but that's the extreme situation. You want to test it. I'm just going to turn off the denoising again, and this is the normal sound of this microphone. Should be pretty good. And I am recording with the DJI. I think you hear the crows just going around, and I pretty much got it captured using this mic.
Okay, so I just reviewed the footage for the range test, and there's some good news, some bad news. So first of all, when I turned on the denoising, the quality was really good. It got rid of most of the noise and bumped my voice a lot more, and it was a really good and positive experience in that regards. But as far as the range, they are claiming 300 meter. But the thing is, I think if there is no object between the transmitter and the receiver, that's like 300 meter. But when I went back behind the buildings, I got disconnected and reconnected, and at some period of time I got disconnected for the time I was behind the building. I mean, that makes sense because there is no direct line between the transmitter and the receiver, but I think the 300 meter is a little bit bold. But I mean, I'm not gonna use it for that long range, but I think for like, I don't know, 100 meter, you should expect a good audio with like good quality. But so far, with the small packaging, with all these attachments, with the necklace, with the receiver that works with the DJI cameras, or I don't know, your cell phones, pretty good package for the price you pay, in my opinion. So that's the review. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. If you want me to test more, let me know. I will answer all of your questions to the best of my knowledge. Make sure to subscribe before you go. I always do these reviews, and I like to have you here. See you in the next video.